I'll use it. It's not quick. Quicker class. There's no way you can put 8 and 9 at the same time class though. And that's 15 meters right there. What's that in feet? 25? And if I was by myself, obviously it's easier in two-man crew. You would have a stick with a paddle on it, and you can slide behind yourself, you know, so everything can get done off the ground. And that's all up to 2.9 meters. You don't have to be on the sticks for none of that. You want to do these two?
Yeah, I'd love to. Yeah.
Alright.
Let's go. Pro time.
Oh, you can do a comparison. Those
Was
three.
the 10 minutes of training, did it pay off? You can watch this video and you can do it too.
That's right.
As long as you subscribe and follow the Drywall Gangsters on Instagram, you can do anything.
Yeah, that's the magic touch. Alright.
So we're ready to go. Even after picking up now, I feel more comfortable with it.
You can already hold it, yeah. Let the black go, yep. There you go. Get it all the way, flick it back. Pro. To say you've got about 15-20 minutes with it. Look at that, perfect. Max, you could tape for me. You could be my third guy.
I'll come and do it for free.
That's crazy. Like you can actually do it. It's just little things, but to say that.
Can I take a wall or something?
Yeah, go on.
Yeah?
Do this one right here if you want. Oh well, you can start sort of here and it'll drag to about there.
Start here.
Yeah, about there. That'll do. By the time it drags a little bit. That's it. Perfect. Just enough. Yeah, keep going. Yeah. Yeah, just remember, once you let that black cog go, you're not grabbing it again, unless something actually goes wrong. I'll hold it so it doesn't drag. Yep. Once you get past the point, it's not going to drag anyway. And yeah, just the biggest thing is keeping that center. But you're making it look pretty easy. Done.
That's it.
Perfect.
You're giving me so much work, mate.
Alright, I'll give you that.
Mine is maybe empty.
Yeah, I think it is. It ran low. I did a check. That's one thing you learn as you use it, how heavy it is.
Yeah.
You can see as well as you work, roughly.
Yeah.
When it's on the wall, you can see the mud slowly going, and then you know when it's about to run out.
Get up now.
Yep. Come on, mud this, some of this off on the road.
Started to run out, eh?
Yeah. It doesn't really matter. This is the kitchen anyway.
Yeah.
Just to make sure, because this all gets covered with cover. That's why.
If we left that, it would bubble.
Yeah.
Make sure there's mud for anyone watching at home.
It's better to cut it short and with a quarter in the box than running it right out. If you don't, then you'll get plenty of dry spots, and then that.
That's how you get bubbles.
Alright, so now we're done with it. We don't need it anymore. So you rip the paper at the back here. That way you can pull this off. And that's it. And then you take it outside. Wherever you're washing. Now I like to flick the cutter back and put the spring behind so that it doesn't keep flicking on you. Now you can open it up. Pull that off, and it's just right. Just to open the adjuster all the way up
When you're washing.
get underneath.
Yep. People worry about the time it takes to wash out, but does that concern you?
Not if you've got a hose set up with enough pressure. It's just as simple as rinsing.
That's clean. What would that take? 3 minutes?
Unless I've got literally 1 or 2 joints, I'm pulling this out.
Yeah,
I hate hand taping.
definitely.
And if you don't use it for very long, the mud doesn't go off, nothing, it's even quicker than that to wash, you know? It's so easy. That's it. Put the lid back on. Just ready to go for the next bit.
And that's it. That is using the North Star Taper Mate. Good tool.
So,
Great tool.
I wouldn't use anything else. Like I said, there's literally nothing to do. Like one joint, I'm pulling that out. It's just too easy.
Yep.
Like, why make the job hard?
Especially you don't need a ladder. It's so much easier than hand taping.
Do everything on the ground.
Yeah. So that's it. You want to learn how to use one of these tapers? There's a few different ones on the market. Definitely they're really good. Definitely going to save time. Definitely easy to pick up. And I recommend them. Definitely.
I'm just holding it like this, yeah. But I didn't notice it. Like, I only notice it every once in a while.
I noticed it when I first grabbed the tape machine, and I went to grab it from that one section. I almost dropped it upstairs. I was like, oh yeah.
Where's that spring?
Upstairs.
Oh, did it flick off? Well,
No.
It has so much flip on it.
ah, so much tension.
Yeah.
Too much boost.